We're back. We are at the track again, and I'm really excited to have another race day. We are in our most competitive club, so it's really important that we get out there and are aggressive. It's our second day with the shifter, so yesterday went pretty good, hoping for another good day today. Nice quick shifts, fully engaged is the goal. The course looks really fun. There's a couple kind of kinked sweepers, there's a long slalom, there's another sweeper, and the finish looks pretty fast. So I'm really excited, and hopefully we do a good job. Was that over?
First run, let's see what we can do. Good. I think that finish, I can do a little bit better on that finish, I think. 41.8. Oh, I'm in first in class. Yes.
All right, this is my first one of the day, so hopefully I stay on course and get a good time down. That cone at the last minute. That was fun though. Alright, 45.1, that's not bad. But I did get a cone right before the finish line, so can go out, attack again, and make it clean.
Another run. Currently first. Doing like a weird like lift or break or something right there. I felt it kind of going, and yeah, doing something weird right there. Second gear? Yep.
Shifter's grinding, but it slowed me down quite a bit, so I'll have to figure out what to do for my next run.
Alright, almost ready. Alright. that was the one, I think. Yeah, but as soon as I made it through that one section, I was like, yes!
Yep.
41.3. Let's see what that puts on packs.
This one, you weren't pushing it so hard.
I was not?
You don't.
Yeah.
You just felt like you were smoother.
Driving smarter.
Yep.
Yeah. And that's, they say it all the time, slow is fast.
Yep.
You know, it's so hard to get through your head sometimes, but just take your time. Yeah.
Am I starting in first and just trying this shift?
Try second again.
I feel like it got...
But yeah, more revs.
Okay. Try.
That was a good run.
Thanks.
I think there's a couple places where you're maybe braking just a little too much on the
I
back
agree.
half.
Yeah.
43.6. So there's your 43.
Yep.
But where that car's coming through there on that back half areas, you're braking just a little too heavy than I think you need to be. You know, when you come through the sweeper, you got those cones there to wiggle through. I don't think you really need to be
Don't
braking
brake.
there. And then as you're coming around that pivot one to come around into like that little
I'm
curve,
too close to it.
I don't think you need to really brake to get around that, and then you need to get back onto the throttle afterwards, because that's just like a little sweeper and you're kind of hesitant going around that.
Where?
Before the little slalom finish, you're on the left side of like 3 cones.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I
you
thought
need
it
to
was
be
more shallow.
Yeah, you just need to be a little more aggressive there, and then you're turning early, just a hair early on that one. Or if you were just a little bit more off of it, you're kind of going at it and turning. If you were off a little bit, you could turn that early, but since you're right on it, you're turning just too early.
Okay.
Yep. I currently sit in first of class, top packs, I believe, still, so we'll see if we can get any better on this run. That was a good one, I think. I don't know if it was clean though. I was a little close and sketchy on some things, and my thing didn't record, so I have no idea if that was any kind of faster, but we'll see here in a second. Nice little four-wheel drift going on though. That's a lot of fun. Thank you, sir. All right, another 41.3. So I do get a rerun, so I'm gonna check if I need to. If I'm already sitting first in class, which is saying I'm second ahead in class, if I'm still first, well, I should be first packs if I'm first in class, I might just forfeit my last run. No reason to put more wear and tear on it for no reason, even though this is super fun. You got this, man. Just breathe, concentrate. You got this. You can do it. All right.
Thank you. slow off the line. I got a 43.7. I don't know if that's enough, but I'm proud of myself.
Time for the final results. So for Ashley, she finished third in ladies class, so not really where she wanted to be, but the ladies class is getting really good and really close competition. So she pushed as hard as that she could and just left a little bit on the table, I think, and she thinks. So really good result still for her, and still has her good position in overall classing. But yeah, it's starting to get really close. So we got a couple more events with this club that really need to dial in some wins. For me, I finished first in my class. So I'm really happy with that. Still doing really well for the overall win in that class. For overall, I got a little cocky. So I didn't take my last run because I was sitting first in class, first in packs, and the heat that was coming up was all street cars, so DS, ES, GS, those type of cars, and I was a little cocky. I didn't think that they would have, outpacked me that much. So I actually dropped from first in packs all the way down to fifth in packs. So I had 4 cars that jumped me. So that's my bad on me, just getting a little overconfident in my time and in the driving, where I should have gone and taken that last run and just seen if I could push just a little bit more to get up there, because it was really close between the top 5 of us. The top packs in general was all really close. So my bad on that one, but it was really fun. I at least got the win in my class. And for overall packs, I'm still doing pretty good for that overall trophy. It is really close battle. So we'll need to keep pushing for those last couple events that we got going on. And see if I can bring home that big trophy. I really want to try to bring home the big one. In class 1 is also really good, but the overall is where I'm really targeting. For the car, she did really well. So this was a really hot event. Really got to test out the radiator. So we still did get up into like the 220s. So it still increased like 20 degrees, but I was starting off from a little bit of lower temperature, and it was able to cool back down a lot better. So I start off, in like the 200 range is what I kind of have the fan set at, and by the end of the run, later in the heats or later in the runs, it was getting like into the 220s, but it quickly cooled back down as we were sitting there in grid. So I'm really happy with how the radiator's doing. The shifter, it did have a little bit of issues for Ashley on grinding, as you saw, and she tried to start off in second a couple of times, and it was not a good start. It bogged a couple times and things like that, so she just kind of powered through it. For me, I had no issues with the grinding. I think it maybe grinded on my first run, but all the other ones, no problem. So it must be something that she's doing maybe with the shifting. Maybe she's not being able to get the clutch all the way in, or something going on there. I am going to change out the fluid, I think, in the transmission. Someone recommended to do like AMSOIL. That really helps with colder starts and higher speed kind of shifting. So I'm going to try that out. It's on order. I need to wait for it to come in. So I don't know if I'll have it by the next event. Probably not. But that is something I'm going to do for that. Otherwise, I think the alignment is all good. If the oil doesn't help, then maybe it's my transmission. We'll see. All right, that is all for now. We got another autocross coming up pretty quickly. So we will catch you guys in the next one later.